Welcome back to Generative AI 101, the podcast where we discover the wonders of artificial intelligence with an emphasis on generative artificial intelligence, or Gen AI, right? I'm Emily Laird, your trusty guide through this captivating world. Today we're hopping into our time machine to explore the rich history of generative AI. Well, AI might sound like a trendy buzzword, and it totally is right now. Its roots go deep. So today, let's embark on a journey through the key milestones that have shaped this field and made it an integral part of our daily lives. Welcome to Generative AI 101. First, let's set the stage. So picture the 1950s. British mathematician and logician Alan Turing introduced the groundbreaking idea of machines that could think. He rolled out the Turing Test, a clever method to determine if a machine could exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from a human's. This laid the bedrock for AI. Jump to the 1960s, where we witnessed the birth of early AI programs like ELIZA, created by Joseph Weizenbaum. ELIZA was a simple chatbot that simulated conversation using pattern matching and substitution methodology. It was one of the first programs to engage in dialogue with humans, highlighting the potential of AI in natural language processing. Fast forward to the 1980s. And the game changed with the development of neural networks. Researchers realized that mimicking the human brain's network of neurons could lead to more advanced AI systems. This period set the stage for what we now know as deep learning. The 2000s ushered in the rise of deep learning, a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers, hence the term deep. This approach led to massive improvements in tasks like image and speech recognition. Tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Microsoft threw their weight behind AI research, propelling rapid advancements in the field. A major milestone in generative AI came in 2014 with the introduction of generative adversarial networks, or GANs, developed by Ian Goodfellow and his colleagues. GANs consist of two neural networks, the generator and the discriminator, locked in a creative duel. This innovative setup allowed for the creation of highly realistic images, sounds, and other data, pushing the boundaries of what AI could generate. In 2017, another game changer arrived, the transformer architecture by Vaswamy et al., so a bunch of his colleagues and him, right? Transformers revolutionized natural language processing by enabling models to consider the context of words in a sentence more effectively. This breakthrough led to the development of powerful language models like BERT, the bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, and GPT, generative pre-trained transformer. We'll have a whole episode about these things. But for now, just remember BERT and GPT. The introduction of GPT-3 by OpenAI in 2020 showcased the incredible potential of transformers. With its 175 billion parameters, and we'll go deep into parameters in a later episode, GPT-3 demonstrated an ability to generate coherent, contextually relevant text, making it one of the most advanced language models to date. These developments made it clear that generative AI had moved from a theoretical concept to a practical tool with wide-ranging applications. And I mean wide-ranging. Think about all the incredible ways we use generative AI right now, and we are such in the birth of this space. It is a burgeoning field. So how has generative AI become part of our daily lives? Today, AI is integrated into many of the tools and services we use, from chatbots providing customer support to AI-powered writing assistants drafting our emails. And please believe, when I see that cliche catch-all, I hope this email finds you well, sometimes I get a little sick of the AI, super professional, I hope this email finds you well. And some of you have heard me say this before. I will send an email occasionally to close colleagues that just starts with, I hope this email finds you before I do. It's, you know what? It's a humor that I enjoy. It's a humor that I need sometimes because, these AI-powered writing tools are drafting our emails. AI influence is literally everywhere. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa leverage natural language processing to understand and respond to our queries. And guess what? I think Siri is about to get a major upgrade because OpenAI and Apple just had this partnership. They came to a deal. I'm sure Microsoft's all upset about it. Who knows? I don't know. It's an intense soap opera that we're not going to get too much into, but maybe I'll do a history episode on sort of the past 2, 3, 7 years and kind of this like AI arms race that I see going on between the tech giants. Anyway, AI is everywhere. Even recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix and Spotify. If you've ever seen me speak, I talk pretty extensively about this, how these algorithms are there. They're paying attention to what you like, what you don't like, what keeps you streaming, what keeps you sitting there. Social media platforms are using this intensely. They use AI to suggest content really tailored to your preferences, and they know you better than you know you. It's fascinating. Now, the evolution of AI technology has made it more user-friendly and accessible, allowing individuals and businesses to harness its power without needing deep technical expertise. Tools like GPT-3 are now available through APIs, enabling developers to integrate advanced AI capabilities into their applications with ease. And it's everywhere. You can't throw a rock without hitting a new AI system that's just come out, right? Or a new AI feature and something that you've loved and used for years. It's everywhere. So as we look to the future, the potential for generative AI continues to grow. Researchers are exploring new architectures, improving model efficiency, and expanding the applications of AI. From healthcare and education to entertainment and beyond, the possibilities are literally endless. In summary, while AI has been around for decades, recent advancements have made it an integral part of our everyday lives. The history of generative AI is marked by key milestones, from the development of neural networks to the rise of deep learning, GANs, and transformers. These breakthroughs have transformed AI from a theoretical idea into a practical, accessible technology that continues to evolve. All right, that's it for today's journey through the history of generative AI. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how this field has developed and why it's such an exciting time to be involved with AI. You got questions, thoughts, or just want to connect? You can find me on LinkedIn. Just look up Emily Laird, Laird, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and remember, you know more about generative AI now than you did when you arrived.